Hey, hola, ¿cómo está? Good morning, everybody. It is like almost 10 o'clock. We're about to go get some breakfast. And if you didn't see last night, Coca-Cola had a Christmas parade on the strip down by the beach last night, on the Malecón, they call it. Only problem is though that I was live recording with my phone on Facebook and with the GoPro. I thought I had it on. Well, it was on, but it wasn't recording. And so the whole time I didn't record it with the GoPro, and I didn't see, I don't have any of the show for you on the GoPro. My buddy keeps telling me that Coca-Cola is different here in Mexico than it is in America, because they make it with local brown sugar instead of whatever they make it in America. So after breakfast here, we're gonna do a Coca-Cola test. And just like the Doritos are different here in Mexico. But just like the Doritos, we're gonna see if the Coca-Cola is different too. All right?
Para mí Petkovic es el autor de gol de rebota, Marquinhos, pero para mí la pelota iba hacia no por nada parece poder pagar más de 90 millones de euros por el defensa central del Leipzig. Bueno, Croacia mucho de la selección envidiable.
20 años. El Leipzig parece un futuro tremendo. Campeón, 1.92 años para los ofensores y defensores en el Inglaterra. Ganando, cuando la bola de Benzema, se le dio la vela
Es muy difícil llegar con tranquilidad, pero bueno, para eso están preparados, para eso se trabaja,
con permiso,
para eso
¿puedes poner un clip, por favor?
4 años para intentar llegar a un campeonato del mundo y poder estar con la posibilidad de llegar a una semifinal. Acá está, se decide por...
Not that I drink a lot of Coca-Cola in America, but I'm gonna have to say that Coca-Cola here in Mexico and Coca-Cola in America tastes pretty much the same. I don't know. Tastes pretty much the same to me though.